Ducks are a type of waterfowl belonging to the Anatidae family. There are 10 interesting facts about ducks that show the uniqueness of these animals, from their various types to their water-resistant duck feathers. These animals include water birds whose lives are mostly spent in wet, watery environments, both in freshwater and saltwater environments. Here are 10 facts about ducks that you can learn about this bird. 1. The fact that there are 100 types of ducks in the world. Although geese are not considered ducks, there are still around 100 species of ducks in the world. There are at least 38 species of ducks that live in a wet environment and are not diving ducks. This species of duck tends to stick its buttocks underwater when they feed. Meanwhile, diving ducks will generally dive below the surface of the water in search of food, and there are also ducks that only nest in trees and sit on high branches. 2. The fact that duck feathers are waterproof. Another interesting fact about ducks is duck feathers. All ducks have waterproof feathers, which do not get wet when exposed to water or when diving into water. To keep their feathers dry, ducks always apply natural oil obtained from the natural oil glands in the duck's tail. 3. The fact that ducks are omnivores. All ducks are omnivores. Omnivores are animals that eat plants and other animals. Apart from plants such as fruits, grains or vegetables, duck food also comes from small animals, such as amphibians, shellfish, insects and invertebrates. 4. The fact that ducklings walk behind their mother. One of the unique facts about ducks is when the ducklings walk in a row following their mother. These ducklings will walk in a row or line. Most ducks do this to find food sources, because their parents are leaders and will direct them to food. Ducklings will be under their mother's care at least until about 1 month old, before they can live independently. 5. The fact that ducks are monogamous. That is, ducks do not always mate for life. Most ducks are monogamous during the mating process. Usually, each mating season they will find a mate and reproduce, as well as form a strong bond with their chosen partner during this time. Interesting facts about ducks: after the breeding season ends, they will separate from their partners. 6. The fact that ducks can fly, walk and swim. These birds not only live in water, they also walk on land and fly over various distances. Some types of ducks also spend most of their time hunting and sitting on the water. But there are also ducks that migrate, either on foot or flying short distances. 7. The fact that ducks are smaller than geese. Ducks are classified as a different species of bird, apart from geese, mostly because of their smaller size. In fact, one of the largest species of duck is the Muscovy duck, native to South America. This type of duck can grow to a length of up to 30 inches or 76.2 centimeters and can weigh up to 30 pounds or about 13 kilograms. However, the size is still smaller than ordinary geese. One of the smallest duck species is the black East Indian duck, a beautiful emerald green duck that can weigh up to a pound or less. 8. Facts about the origin of the word duck. Duck. There is a unique fact behind the name duck, attached to this waterfowl animal. The duck gets its name from the Old English word, ducan, which means diving, something this bird can do very well. There are 4 species of duck that are known as great divers, namely the canvasbacks, red-haired ducks, scaup ducks, and ring-necked ducks that are native to North America. 9. Ducks don't exist in Antarctica. Ducks can be found on every continent except Antarctica. However, there is one species of duck that has been seen off the coast of Antarctica. The yellow-billed pintail. This duck is commonly seen in South America, where it is known to holiday in Antarctica from time to time. 10. The fact that ducks don't always make the same sound. So far, people recognize the sound of a duck by the sound, weck, dot weck, dot weck. However, the fact is that ducks can use a different set of sounds to communicate. That's various facts about ducks.